Kasama ko ngayon si Angel. Nandito kami sa Bulwang. Ang dala namin ay Mali Cake Package. Go na guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wala naman ako magpapunas. Naging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makakamtan kahit na sandali ikaw ay mapastan. Ligaya'y tila ba walang hanggan. Sana hindi na magising kung nangangarap man din. Mabuhay na makulay ang nagkakain. Minsan ay nadarapa, minsan di nang luluha. Di ka na maninimdim, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka. Sa puso ko ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa aking mundo may gagabay sa'yo. Ang alay kong ito, pagmamahal ko, may nagmamahal aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko. Buhay na kay ganda, pangarap ko na mapuntan. When there's no biggest falling down, children's laughing all around. Lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I pray. I would find someone, baby, I found you. And all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the. Hello, Mama Lang. Happiest birthday. I hope you had a wonderful birthday. It might not be on your actual day, but at least it made you feel loved through this surprise harana. Thanks for everything you've done to us. Thank you isn't enough to thank you for the love and support you gave me. I cannot express how much room for love you got in me. I can't wait na makauwi para makita ka. I still remember nung pinagdedede mo pa ako nung bata ako, every time my mom wasn't around. I felt so loved when I was on your side. Miss ko na ang kalamay as your pasalubong when I was a kid every time magsasaod ka. Thank you and Papa Lang sa pagsama sa Manila and airport for spending time with me a few days before ako umalis. Sana
Huwag ka ma-stress sa mga anak mo. All I want for you and Papa lang is to have good health and a long life. I cannot ask for more. I am so blessed that you are my grandparents. We love you so much. Belated happy birthday. Love lots, Lavia. Yan. Meron pa akong isang message. Ma, happy birthday. I just want to wish you good health and genuine happiness. Maswerte kami na ika naging mama na mo, kaginibo mo ngami na sakripisyo para mapaeskwela kami ngami na magmungod. Kung isari man ako umuwan, kami ni Mia, dahil kaninyo ni Papa. Diri na magparatrabaho to nag-uuram na. Diri ko man ka nababayad sa personal o malagaan ka ni Papa. Pero, pag narurungog ko ka mo siton camera, diri ako nakakatios ka narurong ko kaninyo. Mag-relax na ka mo ni Papa, at amanon abuay, ta gusto pa na mo, maglawig abuay ninyo ni Papa. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga anak mo. Happy birthday from Cherry. Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what a world means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you, teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is there next to you. No mountain, no valley, no time and no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can't stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, wish po. Ayun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday.
Muya kami, nasaot natin. Hindi po kami mga na naroon mo naman kami.
Opo.
Nagpapasalamat ako na araw ka din ginili. Pangalayin ka rin, basta ako nagdala ako.
Opo.
Thank you.
Opo. Happy birthday!
Hi guys! Ayan, successful harana na naman ngayong hapon. Naiyak si Ma'am Insir.
Ayan, so yung mga magpapaharana dyan, birthday, anniversary, ano ba?
Lahat ng
lahat ng
okasyon.
yung mga friends ko dyan. Yung mga thank you harana, may birthday harana, may anniversary harana. Ano ba? Basta, sorry harana, yun. Kahit ano pwede haranahin.
Ayan guys, magbabook po kayo sa amin, mag-inquire kayo sa
Yes.
aming page, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Iharana Official Account. Ayan, thank you nga po pala sa pagbabook ni Ma'am.
Lamia. Ayun.
Thank you so much po sa pagbabook, sa pagpahal.